All right, y'all, so I am not recommending that anybody try this at home. I'm just showing y'all how I do it. The reason why I don't recommend that you try this unless you absolutely know what you're doing or you're licensed is because there's a lot that goes into waxing, because you can seriously hurt your skin. You can, I don't want to say damage for life, but you could peel your skin up, you can burn yourself. There's a lot. So if you're using products that, like for acne, chances are they contain things that don't mix well with you know, taking the pellet off of the face. So basically, if you're using something, retinol or anything like that, Accutane, you should not be waxing anything on your body, okay? Because that's gonna make your face super sensitive and you can really hurt yourself doing that. There's a lot more. I'm just telling you like the basics. Typically after you exfoliate, which is what I just did in my facial video, you don't wanna wax, but I'll be okay, I'll be fine. I look like I was beat up after I waxed myself anyways, because I'm very fair skinned, as you guys can see. So it doesn't really matter to me, like whatever, I'm not gonna burn myself. You can what else do you not wanna do? If you're sunburned, you don't wanna do it. So you don't wanna wax over any type of bruises or moles or anything like that either. So there's more that goes into that as well, but those are just a few of the things. So the first thing I do is I usually use like an aesthetic wipe, but I'm just gonna use this because it's here. And I use my Satin Smooth Cleanser. And all I'm doing, I might as well just do my lip while I'm here too. All I'm doing is I'm cleansing the area because I did just wash my face and I put oils and shit all on there. And if y'all don't like cussing, I'm gonna need y'all, listen, I may not be the channel for you. I'm just being honest, okay? I don't look at y'all as clients, so this is my channel, I'm gonna cuss. All right, so I'm just cleaning that off, letting it dry a little bit. Whew. And then I'm gonna use my soft wax, okay? So all I'm gonna do is literally go in there and take just a little bit. I'm gonna do my lip first. Let's do the lip first. So I have like this much, which isn't a lot. You don't need a lot, and you're just gonna. So I could have let it dry just a little bit more, because see how it's not adhering to my skin? All right, so I can just wax that top part really quick. I should have let it dry a little bit more. You're gonna press down. All right. I don't know if y'all can see any of that hair. I can see it. So here's how you do it. When you're applying, when you're taking the wax and you're dipping it inside of your wax pot, you're gonna apply with the growth of the hair. So if your hair is face down, you're gonna apply down. When you take the Pellin, when you go like that, you're gonna rip away. I'm gonna say rip, that's like the improper term, but y'all aren't clients, y'all are just. And see, the good thing about my skin and how red I get is I can see what areas I went over. With soft wax, you don't wanna go over one area more than 2 times, okay? If you see that it's super red, don't even do it a second time. There we go. It's so easy. Sorry if I'm going too fast for y'all, but that's literally how easy it is. The tricky part is always the center area. I hate that part, but I mean, I do it, whatever. And I still have some left over on my lip. I can see it right there, but that's okay, because we can still take it off. Can y'all see? I'm trying to do it to where y'all can see. I'm like sweating. I don't think that remover that I used took that oil off very well, but it's whatever, it's still waxing. All right, y'all, so I applied it down. All I'm doing is I'm holding it and I'm pressing this down with the growth of the hair. And then you're gonna taunt your skin, this is very important. Pull back. You have to commit, okay? You don't wanna stop. I wish y'all could see that. Can y'all see it? No, still no, maybe a little bit. Once you're like, okay, see there's some left over. So all you do with the stuff that's left over is you'd go over there and do that. Yeah, so once, like, talk yourself into it and You don't wanna pull up, you wanna pull that way, okay? Never pull up, because that'll hurt. Always just as close as you can to the skin. And honestly, y'all, this is pretty much what we learned in school. This is how we learned. Like it was quick, but we practiced a lot. And we learned like the growth phase called ACT, what I remember is ACT, like the test, right? Anagen, catagen, and telogen, those are the growth phases of the hair. This is so hard. I don't have this because I need to see. All right. So I also wax my own Brazilian as well, a full Brazilian. See that? So let me just do a check. We are good. So then I would use the oil, the wax remover, which is the yellow one. And I would just wipe off the rest of the wax. And see how red I look? If you are fair skinned like me, or even if you go somewhere and get waxed, don't stress, like don't trip on that. You'll know the difference between getting burnt and your skin just reacting. I'll be like this until the morning. So that's really not a big